This week we are actually making it out to Jackson Hole, Wyoming. Well, I am currently in the Palisades Reservoir in between Alpine, Wyoming and Swan Valley, Idaho. So I'm out here on the lake and we just had a bunch of smoke roll-ins from a fire out in the Reno area. It's also very cloudy and so it's a little eerie out here. You can't even tell where the mountains are, hardly. So I'm not gonna stray too far out, but I'm gonna go cruise around just a little bit. Wouldn't this just be perfect for like a horror film or something? You could see something creepy just going on out here. Some like Nessie monster coming out of the water or something. Isn't that what this looks like? It's so creepy. So I've seen this rock formation. I didn't actually realize that there's like all these little caverns up through here. Earlier in the year, this would be all underwater. So I wonder if like fish and stuff like that like hang out. It's kind of cool looking though. And I know there's a lot of birds up in here because I can hear them. So Michaela is on her way to this campground that we found on my way up here called Blowout Campground. It's along the highway going along the side of Palisades Reservoir. Her cousin Montana will be coming with her as well. And we're gonna do a fun little kayaking camp trip with the three of us. That'll work.
Struggling.
Coming for you. Alright, so this is Jenny Lake. It is located in the Teton National Forest, and it's pretty much right at the base of the Teton Mountain Range. Alright, where do we want to go? We want to go like over that way? Yeah. This way? Okay. We can kind of just like loop around. Looks like there's a kayaker over there. Hello, I'm here to talk to you about your car's extended warranty. So there's actually no motorized boats that are allowed in Jenny Lake besides the ferry that you can pay for to take you across. Damn, Montana, get it! What's cool about Jenny Lake is it has this really cool bluish green color to the water, and for some reason it makes the rocks this really poppy orange color, and they're very bright for some reason. Oh, land ahoy! Thank you. You're on camera, walking slowly. Oh! Yeetus McGeetus.
Smoke. It's cold.
It needs some light.
Move it back. Move it back. Clutch.
Boiling over.
Move it back a bit.
You want me to flip these, Michaela? No! Burger down! I've lost it. Okay, you're gonna cook the rest of these. Oh yeah. Look at the weirdos over here. Filming making mac and cheese, dude. Yeah.
Oh, thank you. You didn't get it. You didn't? Nope.
Right here. Just make it nice and pretty looking.
That's what I'm trying to do.
Yeah, the cheese kind of melted.
Yeah.
You make your burgers backwards.
One of you just shit your pants.
You did.
Fancy.
There's my meal.
Thank you. Really? Fucking stupid. I turned it the wrong way. I'm honestly the worst cook ever. I'm over here flipping burgers in the dirt, having my coffee boil over on my lap. Can't do anything right. Cool shirt.
Thanks.
I spilled my coffee.
Way cool.
Dude, it was like boiling, and like I didn't even have time to like turn. Like I was sitting right there, and it just started just boiling over, and I was just like, what the? I like went to reach for it, and it was already going over. I was like, what the hell? This is what I call a Brandon's breakfast. How fast can you lather on some peanut butter on a fucking bagel and drink?
Untoasted bagel.
It's better that way.
Just a fucking mouthful of bread.
It's better that way, because then peanut butter's not hot. Peanut butter tastes weird when it's hot.
Oh, it doesn't taste better. Yeah.
And then you got the world's worst coffee. This is a man's breakfast right here.
Alright. That'll do it for this episode. Thank you all for watching. Make sure you subscribe, and we'll see you next week.